Congratulations on receiving your Goodbye Breakouts kit. I'm Rochelle, I'm from SkinMart, and I just wanted to run through how to use these products. So the first product we have is the Daily ASAP Facial Cleanser. So you would use this morning and night. Always double cleanse at night just to get rid of all that dirt and pollution build up. So you add a small amount to the hand, emulsify with water, massage all over the face and then rinse. So after you do this step in the morning, you would apply your clear complexion gel from ASAP. So this is going to help exfoliate and keep your pores clean. So apply this after you've cleansed your skin in the morning. The next step, we have the ASAP 50 Plus sunscreen. So you would apply this after your clear complexion gel in the morning. Then we have the Dermalogica Breakout Booster. So this you would apply just as needed, so probably every second night. After you clean the skin, apply the Breakout Booster and then you would apply your normal moisturiser after that. Also included is this Aspect Hydrating Lip Balm. So just you can apply this all day, whenever you like, whenever your lips are feeling a little bit dry. So that is the Goodbye Breakouts kit. If you have any more questions regarding this, please reach out to us via the website.